Here's everything this course covers. It is organized into 7 modules that will build on each other. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding and working knowledge of ISO 9001, and you'll be able to move into the next course, the intermediate course, that will go further into implementing it, building the quality system, and ensuring its ongoing success. So we'll go through a bit about what ISO is, a bit about the history, the principles behind it, the plan, do, check, act cycle, which is a big part of ISO. We'll go through the various clauses found within ISO and how it all works together. And we'll take a look at some real-world examples and some occasional knowledge checks.